Do you suffer from dust, allergies, or hot indoor air? Breathing clean, fresh air at home is not a luxury, it's essential. The right air purifier can make your home a healthier safety if you're struggling against smoke, pet dander, or other common harmful substances. In this video, we will reveal the top 5 best air purifiers, which are best for their power, efficiency, and smart features to fit your lifestyle. Check the links in the description. Your next favorite air purifiers could be number 1 on our list. The 5th product on our list is Levoit Core Mini. Most air purifiers run within a decibel range of 33 and 55, depending on the model and setting. For comparison, that's the difference between a light rainfall, easy to sleep through, and a normal conversation volume, less easy to sleep through. Noise might be a determining factor then, if you're looking to literally rest and breathe easy by running an air purifier in your bedroom. The quietest of the bunch is the Levoit Core Mini, whose tested volume was only 37.2 decibels, even on its highest setting. Most other models demonstrated 44 decibels and above. As a purifier, the Levoit Core Mini isn't the most powerful, but is suitable for a small bedroom. It can clear 378 square feet in an hour, but only to a particle size of 0.3 microns. This is the industry requirement for HEPA filters, but many other models offer better outcomes. In addition to its extremely quiet running volume, however, it also has the lowest energy draw, at 0.0061 kilowatts per hour, the smallest footprint, and the smallest price tag, making it a reasonable investment if you're looking to try out an air purifier in your bedroom or other small space. The 4th place on our list is Winix AM90. If you're looking for the best air cleaner, smarter purifier in your home, the Winix AM90 air purifier could be your perfect pick. It's designed to handle the rooms up to 1,740 square feet in just 1 hour. It's powerful yet compact that is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or even your home office. At its core, you will get true HEPA filtration, which can capture 99.99% of airborne particles, as small as 0.01 microns from dust and pollen to smoke and pet dander. While the carbon filter works constantly to reduce harmful VOCs, pet flavors, and kitchen smells, the washable pre-filter manages larger particles. You can track and manage your air quality anytime, anywhere, using the Winix Smart app. That is very easy to use with Wi-Fi connectivity. From monitoring air trends to adjusting settings remotely, you're always in control. Also, here you will get the built-in air quality sensors that constantly monitor your environment and, when set to auto mode, automatically adjust the fan speed for efficient, energy-saving performance. You will also love the air quality indicator light, showing you exactly how clean your air is in real time. The AM90 runs nearly silent on its lowest setting, with a sleep mode that kicks in when the lights go down, so you can breathe easy all night long. With a filter replacement indicator, you will know exactly when it's time for a change. Do you want the best, smart, powerful, noiseless, and stylish air cleaner? The Winix AM90 will be the best option for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Blueair Large Room Air Purifier. The Blueair Large Room Blue Signature Air Purifier is a most powerful, stylish air purifier that doesn't just clean your air, but also works as a stylish companion stand. With its 7-stage HEPA silent filtration, this purifier is able to capture 99.97% of airborne particles, down to just 0.1 micrometers. From dust and smoke to allergens and pollutants, it uses both mechanical and electrostatic filtration to keep your air fresh and healthy. With the help of the unique odor fence technology, gases and odors are broken down as much as 10 times more efficiently, leaving your room feeling as clean as it is. The Auto Fresh mode takes all the guesswork out of purification. Its advanced laser sensors constantly monitor air quality and automatically adjust fan speeds, learning your daily routines to keep your air clean all day long. You can control all of these systems with the Blueair app from your phone. You can adjust settings, schedule cleanings, track air quality trends, and get filter replacement alerts. It even works with Alexa and Google Home for easy voice control. By using 5 easy-to-read colors, you'll always know how clean your air is with just a quick look. Another great feature is the interactive display. The dot matrix screen activates as you go closer to it, revealing entertaining animations and buttons that face up, making your air purifier not only useful, but enjoyable to operate. Do you want clean air without sacrificing style or convenience? The Blueair Large Room Blue Signature could be perfect for you. The second product on our list is the Coway Airmega 240. The Coway Airmega 240 Air Purifiers is a premium, quiet, smart air purifier that is super easy to manage. It will keep your air clean, fresh, and allergen-free. This advanced purifier is designed to clean spaces up to 403 square feet in just 12.5 minutes, or larger areas up to 975 square feet in 30 minutes. It will be perfect for your bedrooms, living rooms, or even open spaces. It's built to handle your daily air quality needs without missing a beat. It's powered by Coway's hypercaptive filtration system, which is a powerful 3-stage filter setup that includes a washable pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and a green true HEPA filter. This system removes 99.99% of ultrafine parts as small as 0.01 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and even harmful pollutants. So, your air not only feels cleaner, but smells fresher too. The replacing filter is simple and clean due to its cartridge design. Simply remove the cartridge and replace it. There will be no longer any issues or dirt buildup. The amazing feature of this purifiers is easy touch controls. With a single tap, you can adjust fan speeds, reset filters, switch modes, and even turn the display lights on or off. Also, the auto mode constantly monitors your air quality and immediately adjusts the fan speed to keep your space purified without you lifting a finger. A real-time air quality indicator lets you know exactly how clean your air is, anytime. Looking for the premium, smart air purifiers? The Coway Airmega 240 could be your smart cleaner, fresher purifier for your home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the LEVOIT Vital 200 SP. The LEVOIT Vital 200 SP air purifier could be exactly what you need. It's been independently tested and certified by the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers for performance, safety, and energy efficiency. In simple words, you will get a purifier that actually works, not just a fancy machine sitting in your room. This purifier is designed specifically for allergy sufferers. Whether it's pollen, pet hair, dust, or dander floating around, a 99.97% recovery rate of extremely fine particles as small as 0.1 micrometers is possible with its strong filtration technologies. As a result, you and your family will be breathing cleaner, fresher air every day. Moreover, it's built for whole room air cleaning, covering spaces up to 1,875 square feet. So whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even your basement, the Vital 200 SP has got it covered. Here you will get dual air inlets, including a smart U-shaped design. It removes pet hair and smells before they distribute by drawing in air more quickly. The smart features of this product is the VSync app, which will allow you to control everything easily. You can adjust fan speeds, set timers, check filter life, and even connect to voice assistants like Alexa. If you have a busy schedule, you can create custom schedules to automatically switch between sleep mode, pet mode, or auto mode anytime you like. If you are serious about breathing cleaner air and want smart control at your hands, the LEVOIT Vital 200 SP could be your perfect choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best air purifiers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.